In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own print-on-demand clothing brand in Placeit. First, let's start with the design. Go to Logos, Clothing and Beauty, then Clothing Brands. Here you'll be given choices of logos for your brand. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose this logo. I'm going to click Edit. Here I'm going to change the colors and the wording. To change the wording, come up here to the left and click and change the words. You can change the second text in the second field here. Now we're going to change the font color and the font type. To do so, you click below the text. I'm going to scroll till I find one. I'm going to choose this one. I'm also going to change the font type for the second one. Now to change the color, we click this box here. Second, we change the box again for the second one. Now we're going to change the colors for here and the outline. We come here to the right where it says gradient and we choose a color. Now to change the shadow. So now we've changed the shadow and the gradient. Let's scroll down. Now we want to change the background. To do so, we click Edit. You can change the style of background as well. I could move to this one here. And I could change the color now by clicking this rectangle here. Click away. Now I want to change the color for the background. So we click the background color and we can choose one here. So there's also the stroke color. To change the stroke, which is the outline of the text, we click stroke and we choose one of the colors here. So let's say we wanted to make the background transparent. We can also click color and come here and click the transparent box here. This will be better for our design. Now we're going to save it. We come up here and click Save To. Now we're going to create a folder called Brand Design. So we click New Folder and in the name box we type in brand design, then create folder. Now we click save. Now that it's saved, we click download. X. Also, I just want to let you know that if you come here to the right, it will say all selected. You can uncheck it so only the design could be shown. If you don't, then merchant mockups will be selected and downloaded. So make sure this is unchecked. Or if you prefer, you can just check only the ones that you particularly want. So here, example, there's shirt, there's socks, and a t-shirt. Uncheck. To get mockups, go to mockups, apparel, and here you can choose any one of the designs or choose all apparel. For this example, I'm going to choose hats. Now in hats, we can choose a hat example mockup. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose this one. Edit. We could now come to the left here and select and click import from downloads. So if we come here, we can see that our design is here. We can select this one. We can now change the size. We can hover over and select the circle here to increase the size by moving it upwards or downwards. I'm going to leave it at 50. We can also highlight in the text and write in the number we want. I want 150%. We can also click and drag to move the design around. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Change that. So leave it at 150 and crop. We can also change the color of the design by going here to hat color and changing it to a more lighter color if you prefer, or darker color. Now I'm going to click download. You can click download again to download onto our computer. Excellent. Now I'm going to move on to do a sweatshirt. So again, we go to mockups, apparel, and we go to sweatshirts. Here we can choose other designs. I'm going to scroll down until I can find one I like. I'm going to go with this one. There's also more designs on the right here. I'm going to choose this one on here on the right and edit. This design right now is a bit small, so I'm going to enlarge it a bit. To do so, we go here to the right, we click resize. We click and we drag to the center. As it's outside, it's clipping outside, You can't see outside. I'm going to shrink it just a little bit so it could fit. I'm also going to move it up so it's more closer to the chest at the top. Just move that a little bit. Now crop. Now I'm going to also download this design as well. To do so, again, download. You click download again to download it onto our computer. Okay, X. I also forgot to change the color. We can change the color by choosing one of these. I'm going to leave it. You can also, I forgot to mention, we could save it too. So we could save it and save it in brand design, then save. If we want to, we can make more designs by going to mockups and apparel. Here we can make more clothing designs. In this case, I'm going to do leggings. So let's click leggings. So this will be one more design. So we can scroll down. We can choose any one of these designs. I'm going to choose next. So the second page. I'm going to choose this one. So in this example, I'm just going to show the leg, which is already available here. I'm also going to clear these other designs. To do so, we go here, we click, and we click remove image. Move this image. Again, we do the same. Where it says your image, we click and we click remove this image. Let's change the color. I'm going to choose to a lighter color. I'm also going to resize, so we click here to resize. So I'm going to click drag to move it, and I'm going to shrink it. To shrink it, we just select and we move the handle smaller. Going to have it more close to the center. Then crop. Again, we click download. Then click download again. So now we've got 3 designs. So click X. Also, we could save it. So we click save to, and we choose brand designs, then save. So that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.